Check this out. So we're bicycling along the Anseong River across from Camp Humphreys. So there's Camp Humphreys, you got the Anseong River, you got this bicycle trail that'll take you, it looks like all the way to Anjung-shi, like 10 more miles away. There's a cafe here. It's like like when you go driving on the highway and you have the rest stops for cars, this is for bicycles. They got some music going on, coffee shop, free restrooms, free rental bikes. Hey honey, so how come these are free?
평택시.
Segum?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, Pyeongtaek City sponsors this, so it's a free for rental. How long can we ride these for?
5:40.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, come back.
So we got like 2 hours with these. Awesome. Yeah, it's really beautiful today. Look at this. Really nice day to go bicycle riding. Except for the air, of course, because the air around is always crappy. But other than that, it's nice outside. Bicycle's a little small on me. Okay, yeah, trying to take video while holding an iPhone and riding a bicycle is not easy. Especially when you haven't done this in a long time. But, check this out. Just look how beautiful this is today. Minus the air, of course. Nice flowers, nice view of the rice paddies. You got the river, all nice and green. You know, this is early June, so I guess a lot of people call it early summer now. Very late spring, early summer, mid-70 weather degrees. Very, very nice out here. Check, you got some nice houses over there too. We saw driving in. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So this bicycle rental is until 5:30. So it's free, and it's part of the. My wife was telling me. I guess like city taxes. Don't let myself. You okay? Gotta slow down for a little girl. Now, if you see that tower way off in the distance, I can't adjust it. But we were just there. See that tower? They've got a coffee shop there, Tucson. They got a shopping shop, a restaurant. I've been there a couple times. It's a nice place. Smile, little girl. There we're going. Yeah, mommy went first. We'll catch up. What's your brother doing? Let's look at that boy and what he's doing. Yeah, so anyway, we're approaching those houses. You make, of course, selfies. Irony, I got a photo camera. Let me show you also. So while riding by, there's all these houses here. You see facing the river. This is called West River. And these are, I saw a bunch of American cars, and they're in single houses. These are probably for American soldiers, GS, and I guess contractors who can afford it. Very nice, I'm not going to lie. It gets the wheels spinning. Let's go take a quick little drive-by of that. So if you're looking for a place to live, hey, this might be it. Trying to adjust this camera mic. Yay! Beautiful. Beautiful. You got a public restroom, rice fields. Pyeongtaek's big on its rice fields. Yeah, so check these out right here. There's wifey poo up there. You know, the design to me is kind of like okay, but seeing it's a single home, it's actually got yards. Look at that. It's got yards by the river. That has some appeal to me. But if I was to say move here, or anybody else for that matter, it'd be like maybe 15 minutes to the closest gate. Hello. You okay? What's wrong? Hold on. Ugh. What's up? Ugh. Girl. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to kind of shut this off. Well, maybe. Maybe I'll just keep it on. Maybe some people enjoy just watching the scenery. Should get a GoPro on for this. I wish I'd thought about that today. Yeah. It's a good day to do this. When I get home, I got to do some homework. Got some stuff to do for school. Interesting enough, you know, let me say this. First, this is a good use of public funds. Nice little trails and stuff like this. Korea's loaded with these, so I think it's pretty cool. Tons of coffee shops around here. Koreans are a tea culture by tradition, but they've modernized real quickly the coffee. So tons and tons of these coffee shops. Now I got to try to go uphill. So let me see if I can get uphill with one hand. With this. Probably not. Yeah, probably not. Alright, so we just went up there. I like the rest area. Some cigarettes, coffee. She grew. What, little girl? Yeah. Alright, I'm going this way. How about you follow me? Well, this is the bicycle trail. Oh, look, it looks like you got, what, water purification or something going on? Reservoir? Oh, nice. Water does smell good today. Reminds me we need to get out this summer and go do some stuff. That's for sure. Yeah, so we're almost at the end of this trail. That thing goes like miles down the road, or kilometers as it were in this country. But we're going to go to drop these off at the rental shop. It's kind of hard to call it a rental shop since you don't pay for it, but it's a rental shop. And we're going to head back home. So let's finish the ride there. Very pleasant ride today. I'll be honest, if I had time, I would just keep riding and riding. This is awesome. Good. Yeah, now I gotta slow down. Hey, little girl. Look at that, fishing boats. That's kind of cool. Yeah, this trail's not big enough for incoming and outgoing traffic. Little monsters. Kids are monsters. Yes, they are. Now, another portion of this trail turns off into a little park up here, which is pretty cool. There you go. Let's view the base. Go on. I think it's right here. Yeah, sweep means like rest area. 20 meters away. Yeah, see right there? Check it out. Yeah, there's that tower. I hope you can see it on the camera here. Up there, that's where you go when you want coffee and shabu shabu. Overlooks the area. Uh-oh, you okay, honey? Quintana? Uh-oh, we have a mishap up ahead. Getting in a crowded area. Up here's a place called Archive Coffee. Overlooks the river. I'm pretty sure it's expensive though. And I'm a price sensitive guy, so I might check this place out once, but probably wouldn't come back. But it looks like a nice place on a day like this to hang out, if you're gonna come here. So there's the archive. You see? Oh, I gotta get. And just right up here is the return. Oh. Yep, you can see this is the place we're at. So right here, see all these people? So if you're at Camp Humphreys, you go out Yoon Gate over there, see where the bridge is. Go across here. Go past Twosome, that's that tower. And you're going to see a bunch of people on the bicycle trail. So I hope you found this informative. You know, please like, share, comment, and you'll have a great day.